And action, Sunday, day 6, August 29th of our demolition here in our home. So let me take you into the zone where Ava's working. We have the flooring guys coming tomorrow. So all this has to be swept, cleaned out, debris gone. We're definitely coming in on the home stretch here. So when I took out the base cabinets, I realized that they never ran the tile underneath. So you could see a discrepancy in the height of the subfloor. Have to pack that out. But I'm going to upcycle the cabinets, screw them down, pack it out, and then just make up any differential with the mud that we're going to utilize to secure our new tiles. So that's it for now. Stay tuned. Remember, think greener.